going to show you how to make a Chevron Shake. You start off with about 5 or 6 ice cubes. Use 50 milliliters of whole milk, skim milk, anything you like. Vanilla syrup, use about 25 milliliters. Chocolate syrup, any brand will do. A nice big heap of that. We're going to add 125 milliliters of nitro. Lovely jubbly. You take it over to my blender. Done. Use a nice tall glass this time around. Put that in. Lovely jubbly. And we can top it off with some homemade cream. In this sense, I'm doing a 70-30 split between heavy cream and milk. It's in a charger. Obviously, you can use your home brand squirty cream. Top it off with some chocolate popping candy. A couple of straws on the top. And here we have the Chevron Shake.